Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is Wednesday, and Wednesday is usually the time when we get our dev channel build. It has been released about half an hour ago, so if you are a dev channel insider, go take a look at your Windows updates. You should see Windows 11 Insider Preview 22,538.1000 RS pre-release in the updates. So, of course, we will be, I am installing it right now as we speak, and we will be, of course, talking about it in the Insider about what's the new features, actually, for the insiders on the dev channel. This is going to probably happen tomorrow, so I'll at the same time be testing out how stable it is and how it works. The features in this build are few as usual, but there's a few little things we're going to check out. So there's update for voice access, there's touch keyboard voice access, entry point widgets. So on the taskbar, the widgets that you would see the weather on the bottom left in the taskbar is reintroduced apparently. Alt tab task view, snap assist, some changes there, updated IMEs, and touch keyboard designs. So we're going to take that look of these different designs and so on. The voice typing, experimenting with improving discoverability for some features. HTTPS boost for Hyper-V. PCs that will support it have calibration available under settings for HDR displays. So all the things that we're going to actually look at when I go through the build tomorrow. So we'll be looking at the different little features. Of course, once again, not a lot. They're not pushing many things yet, but we expect to have some of the major features that were announced last year eventually appearing on the builds, and also even on the regular version of Windows 11 at some point, because we know that there are things that are going to show up in the standard version of Windows 11 that are going to be before the big feature update of October. So hey, if you're an insider in the dev channel on Windows 11, just head to Windows Update and check it out. Build 22,538 is now available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.